I just want this out there, see me, because I not going to reach a country quicker than how I can make the news reach a Manchester. You see me I say? Because I'm the town. So hear me I say now, people. My mother, them just running, them running for my mother and take her away.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers, to another video. So this is just an intro for make sure you subscribe before watching. You see me? Alright guys, so when you see the intro video where Clyne from Nickii and KLYNE, the YouTube channel there, / my artist also, female mother was abducted, guys. And I just want to share the picture of the woman so you can, get familiar with her in case you see her. Anyway guys, so the video I share, him never they are Kings. Him never they are Manchester, and they are Kingston at the moment. So him share the video. It's understandable. You see me? So at first people don't feel like such them on YouTube, it's a wall, prank shit, but no guys, you see me? Realness are realness, and I just want to share that post. They must say she was home with her common law husband when a man kicked off the door and demand money. And when it was not forthcoming, the man took them outside and the man, slaughtered the woman. You see me? So, and that was in Newport, guys. You see me? And if you understand this information and client information accurate at the same time, so we there at the said time, open channel. People they must say she will not as yet seen a body or any sort of proof, guys. And we just want to spread the awareness, guys, because even if I'm a female mother, still somebody mother, if you get me. I would just there right now at the moment said way and feel sad, even if I don't know him from now, said way. You see me, just to Jamaica, it mess up that. So that's what's up, guys. And pretty done and world dog. Them not deal from August, which enough people never know, and world dog go out of the way for this year, so she retaliate, you see me.
Oh yeah, what you say? Yeah man, me and my woman let pussy, let me tell you this. Don't come pick nothing with me, you. Go pick it with Instagram. Go pick with blood clot Instagram. Because you are sent threat to my bumbuckler life and every Friday you keep a party. How far my Friday day? How far my bumbuckler Friday day? With your one if a broke blood clot hype. And June is blood clot food. Not even food in your blood clot fridge. Because you can't bumbuckler cook. You live from phone box to phone box and plastic fork. Bumbo idiot. And I mean you walk up this, and I can talk about lesbian this, your ex-girl this. My youth, your ex-girl what? How much man beat in a fucking, no boy in a Florida can come tell us that they have my dopey I walk around with. You want a lick where you get from poolside to Miami, you can't even go back to fucking Florida. Right, and I mean what do we do in Florida? You shouldn't even live in Florida. You should live all the way of blood clot rare. Can't you look a page gone or you want to get back blood clot views. After you can tell how much in life on my blood clot wife. Make me come around here come be a fucking idiot and you want me to deal with you? Nigga go in your blood clot self. And one thing none of you can get fed up. Ramp with me and my blood clot wife and me deal back with none of you. Go in yourself pussy hole. Go in your blood clot self with your miserable blood clot self boy. Me delete page for you. Don't pick no blood clot green with me boy. Cause me tell you this. And the truth alone me come here so fi talk. With the little blood clot self thinking boy. More! Cause me tell you this boy. If you not live good with your woman, me live good with Femi and me. We dead for Femi blood clot girl boy. So somehow you come a blood clot bring bumbo clot ray and you come make boy. I come round here and act food to the wife boy. Suck your big pussy girl them boy you have in a Florida youth. And then you need to go sit down and tell your woman about what you have in your yard. The time when you sit down for the blood clot internet like one big mama lashy, you call you the hunger sissy. You're the hunger sissy when they're on the blood clot internet. As soon as you want nothing, you see you get up and you go, you do all of your friend them. Cuss with your friend them like one blood clot skettle. Me I wonder how your Marky and Shibana them are no blood clot friend yet and Batman them. The Batman them always a blood clot link. You want come over here so can link with blood clot sodomite. You're sodomite but you suck pussy so what me fi do? In pussy hole. How you want the ling to go suck off your dead blood clot hood where you have over there? Hey boy, your cocky are dead from the blood clot root and the girl them attack. Bumbo hole. Eh? Pussy, you want to come over here so boy you want this? Pussy me a big pH everywhere. Name your blood clot big hole girl them youth. Name them out. Skin them out and name them out. You should be a businessman, you fucking idiot. It pay for be done now, clown. It play for done now, clown. Now you have 30,000 pound blood clot YouTube, 40,000 pound gram, and 8,000 pound Facebook. You're not big now. You're not big now. You're not big. But me no see you share my blood. What me I share that for? A song that? That a song? That a song? That a song? That a song, me can go inside. And the people when you can tell about the little tree furniture that you can count in your house. Your house are empty so till you use one room and turn in a one shoes room with 5 shoes in there. Them 5 shoes you have for 10 grand, you know. Move your bum buckle and go buy some clothes. Go chip a white shirt and the neck then stretch out. But squash your 6 bars, him not even follow you. You know shame. How are you do hurt? True right now. Me still have blue sticky or follow. My brother, you never get back up your thing, pussy me in a deal. Me will never deal you. Never. You see me? Me don't give a fuck who I watch. Me do this publicly because more you know pussy in a deal with me youth. You see me I say? Go find the darkest place that your big pussy girl and live in that. You see me? Me and you not good, me will never good. Me will never link. No love me because I not like you. No time. So no put out no love and no rare pussy. Because if you come. Because I'm ready for you because you want like a pussy. Remember that. You want pussy. You coming like a tampon and you drop out a girl bloody Wull. You chop in a one corner, you like a short oompa loompa bitch. You coming like one of the little tampon them. And a girl hole you for stay. Go ahead. Bumbucklad, Lilliputian bitch. Bitch nigga at its best. Me know when you open for your blood clot boxers front, them is a big clit drop out. With your big clit where you have a fuck girl, because you're a bitch. You're a bitch. When you broke Friday, you move your bum buckler, you look endorsement, bitch. You don't see you big. You don't see you big. Rise back to 500,000 now. Yeah, man, we're the biggest thing, boy. You and me bill foreign. You and me bill that one there. And not nice of me bill you. A God bill me pussy. My gratitude for what? Nobody on social media don't know me because of you. Go find your girl them man and live in a them big hole, man. That you have to do you. Me don't know because of you. Pussy me not no thanks to give you. Me give thanks to God. You not no God. If you are God for your friend, you not no God for me. You're a regular bitch to me. A regular blowing walking sodomite bitch for me. Me a sodomite, you a sodomite because you love talk like sodomite. You a bitch, you a sodomite. Big old sodomite. Everywhere you go, you bring problem. But he at 7'6" everywhere. Because of you that. You have to be the blood clot king of the jungle everywhere you blood clot. Hey! Hey! Yo! Me there! Me there! Oh, there! Oh, there! Yeah! 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 Like a fucking idiot. Nigga, you a mascot, bitch. You ain't no comedian, you a clown. You a clown. Comedians talk for their shit. You can't talk to make me laugh, bitch ass nigga. You a fucking clown. A clown is different from a fucking comedian. You have to dress up in a paraphernalia. And you hold up a blood clot, woman tights them, and cowboy boots to go wine for your Batman friend them. Yeah. Somebody know the blood clot you are come for me about. Yeah! Yo! I'm gonna make this thing by Instagram! I'm gonna make it. You big no ass? You big no ass? How much excess you on the ass?